Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 5 mindset traits for success. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and the 5 mindsets for success. So first, you have to have a growth mindset. You have to be willing to learn more all the time. Think about it. Why does Bill Gates take away like a whole week of his life, of his work time, just to go out and read? That is because that's how he learns. And every single billionaire, millionaire, whatever, all these people have been learning more all the time. And the second they stop learning is when they start to die down and not make any more money. And some of them, that's okay because they made so much money that they don't really care about and they just want to retire and lay on the beach. But if you're not at that point, then you have to have a growth mindset and be willing to learn more all the time. You have to go into the mindset where every single person that you meet is probably better at you at something. No matter who it is, they know something that you don't know, and you have to learn more about them. You have to learn psychology, you have to learn all these mindsets, self-development, all these things that will help you. And that's just mindset, but that goes into the technical things as well. It goes into all sorts of different things. So that's the very first thing. The second thing is you want to have calculated risks. Now, if you're not willing to spend any money, that's okay, but maybe it's time, maybe it's money, maybe it's time. At the beginning, most people do not have any money to spend, but they're thinking, okay, maybe I'm going to put my heart and soul into it, but it might not work. Well, guess what? That's just a risk that you have to take and just go all in, because if you go half in, it's just not going to work. You have to go all in and take the risks that you need to take. Maybe it's your time, it's going to take you a lot of time and maybe it won't work. But chances are if you stay there long enough, it will work. But that's just an example. It can be money as well, because you're going to spend some money on ads and maybe you won't get a return. In fact, at the beginning, you most likely will lose some money while making some ads. So make sure that you actually take the risks that you need to take, because otherwise it won't get you anywhere. So the third thing is you have to stay hungry for it. Stay hungry for what you are doing, because if you're not hungry for it, if you don't really want it, like really bad, because I'll take the example of fitness, because this is New Year and you see all these people going out and running. Well, it's kind of slowing down now, in fact, because it's the 8th of January when I'm filming this, but you see all these people from like the 1st of January to about the 10th, and it just dies down all the time because people take resolutions where they want to go running and they want to get fit, and but they don't want it enough. They're not hungry for it. They don't really want that bad enough, and most likely these people will die off because they just decided that this is the 1st of January and it's going to be a new year for them, a new you. You know that expression where people, it's a new me. This year it's a new me, I'm going to get fit, and guess what? They just fall off because they don't really want it bad enough. And that goes the same with building a business. If you don't want it bad enough, it's just not going to work, because you're not going to put in the effort, you're not going to do all these different things that you need to do in order to get to success. So be sure that you are really hungry for it, okay? The next one is be healthy, because if you're not healthy, it's just not going to work. And I'm not talking about going overboard. I personally ate a pizza yesterday, and that happens. And that's okay, but you have to really be focused on eating some healthy food most of the time, because I said I ate a pizza yesterday, but most of the time it's not the case. I drink a lot of water, I exercise a lot as well, I eat proper food most of the time, and that's one of the most important things, is to drink more water. Most people are dehydrated. It makes your mind go off, you don't think as well, and you're not concentrated as much, which is very important. So make sure that you drink some water and exercise. These are the two main things. You also need to eat proper food, and that will just you'll be way more productive if you do that. So many people underestimate that, but most of the time people who are successful are not like that. There are some exceptions, some people eat poorly and exercise very badly, but most people actually work out quite a lot. Look at Gary Vee, he works 18 hours a day, but he still finds some time to exercise, and you need to do the same thing, really find some time to exercise. And the next one is to be passionate about it. If you're not passionate about what you're talking about, it doesn't matter what you're working on. Maybe it's not YouTube, maybe it's not a blog, maybe it's something completely different, but you have to be passionate about it. If you're not, it's just going to come around, and the worst thing is you're not going to be able to go through it, because it's not easy building an online business, and if you just do something for the money, it's not going to go through. You have to really be passionate about what you're going to do and just pull through it all the time, just work and work and work, and that is how you're going to make it. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.